Valvetronics getting installed. There they are. They're closed right now. Looks good though. Valvetronic designs on this Mustang GT. So the valve opens, it becomes straight pipe. When the valve is closed, it goes through the muffler. All right, stay tuned, guys. So right now the valves are closed, guys. It's pretty quiet. Here's sound decibels. That's with the valve closed. So for those cold starts in the morning and stuff, they work perfect. Again. Here's sound decibels with them closed. Right at 104. All right, go ahead and open them. Yep, they're open now. Okay. Wow. Very impressive. Here's sound decibels with them open. 126. Let it idle. Right now they're open. And the good thing, it's a 6-speed manual, so there's no rev limiter, so it gives you the true sound of the mufflers without no rev limiter or automatic transmission stuff. So right now, valves are open. Cannot beat it. You cannot beat Valvetronics for the price, for how much you get out of it. Good looking car. What a beast. Ooh, you guys will walk around so you can hear it. Go ahead. Wow, it's earth shattering. Go ahead and close it. Now they're closed again. It definitely makes a huge difference in sound. Again, let you guys hear it from the front, from far away. Go ahead. It's a huge difference in sound. A lot better. Open is definitely the way to go. Let me let you guys hear it on the inside. Guys, it had something hiding under the hood that he kept a secret from me. Look at this thing. Liquid cool supercharger. Whew. No wonder you bought it. What a beast. Wow. It's on meth too, yeah? Wow. There it is, look. And then whoever did it really nice. Oh, yeah. It's a clean build. Wow, what is it pushing, do you know?
Like 770.
770 to the wheels. Wow. Valvetronics, if you're watching, it's a perfect exhaust for this. Wow, look at that. Beautiful car. Just absolutely beautiful. And it's Bill Mammoth. Woo! I want it. You want to sell it?
Sell it.
Everything's for sale, right?
Oh yeah.
I like the way you think. Just an impulse buy. Most definitely. Valves open on this Mustang supercharged, meth cooled behemoth or mammoth Mustang. What's a good name for this Mustang? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Find me a name for this 770 horsepower Ford Mustang that's fully built, supercharger and all. Perfect stance, everything. Whew. This is valves open, guys. Damn! Well, that sounds beautiful. Sounds like an F1. Wow. That is sick. Now they're closed. So valves closed now. Pull number 2. Definitely valves open at any given time is so much better. Don't you guys agree? I think so. Valves open, definitely. But valves closed is okay too. Valvetronics, you did good. We're proud of you guys. There's a marble too.